My name is Jonna Warner. We moved here in 2017. We originally came to China because my husband was looking at investing in a business opportunity. So we talked about it and we decided that going on an adventure and moving halfway around the world to China was a great idea. One of the things that jumps out at me is like the city and the government's commitment to preserving like cultural relics and historical and traditional culture and architecture. There are a lot of different places in the city that have been like renovated or refurbished. I really appreciate the message that sends, because I think it shows and it tells people that the past is important and we should honor that. I've been teaching English now at Guangdong Country Garden School since 2019. I definitely feel like there is a great level of respect given to teachers and to educators here. Quite often I get personal messages from parents thanking me, and I have good relationships with them. The students themselves show appreciation to us. It's been a great opportunity for me. I really love living in this location, in this area. So I think it's a very nice city. If I'd never come to Foshan and been here and lived here, I would not have had like the wonderful, meaningful experiences that I've had. I'm very appreciative that I've been able to come here and spend such great time here.